Morning everyone, back with Miss Yuni again. Today I got help from Leo. Okay, now we are going to review your worksheet. So can you please prepare it, or can you please prepare your answers? Okay, now let's go to the first question. Okay, what time is it? Now take a look. So let's go with the hour first. Okay, now it is between 9 and 10. So we choose the smaller one. So it's 9 o'clock. So how about the minute? Now take a look at the minute. We always count from 12. So we count from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. So we count together 5, 10, 15, 20. So the minute is 20 while the hour is 9. So the answer is 9:20. Okay, let's go to the second question. Okay, what time is it? Let's go take a look at the clock or the hour hand. It is between 10 and 11. So we take the smaller one, which is 10. So it's 10 o'clock, and then let's go to the minute. Let's start from the 12. Remember, we count by 5, 5, 10. So what time is it? Yes, it is 10, 10. Let's go to the next question. What time is it? Okay, let's take a look at the clock or the hour hand. The hour hand is between 3 and 4. We are going to take the smaller one, which is 3. So it's 3 o'clock. And then let's take a look at the minute hands. The minute hand is pointing at 7, right? So let's count from 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35. So what time is it? It is 3:35. Okay, let's go to the next question. What time is it? Okay, this is not number 4, so I'm just going to help you in this part first, okay? So the clock is between 7 and 8. We take the smaller one, it means 7 o'clock, while the minute we count from 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. So it is 7:45. However, in number 4, the clock is like this. Again, let's take a look at the hour hand. Which one is hour hand? The shorter hand. Okay, the hour hand here is between 8 and 9. So we take the smaller one, which is 8. After that, let's take a look at the minute hand. This one is pointing at 9. Again, we have to start from 12. Let's start from 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. So for number 4, what time is it? It is 8:45. Okay, let's go to the next second part. Okay, for the first question, 1 hour before 11 a.m. is, okay, 1 hour before. So we have to take a look at the hour hand. The hour hand is pointing at 11. So 1 hour before is 10. So what time is it? 10 a.m. Like this. Okay, let's go to number 2. 1 hour after 9 p.m. is, okay, now this is hour. So we have to count the hour first. Take a look. The hour is pointing at 9. 1 hour after is 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So the answer is 10 p.m. Okay, let's go to number 3. 1 hour before 10:30 a.m. is, okay, so 1 hour before 10:30. So the hour hand is pointing at 10. 1 hour before is 9. So if the hour hand is moving to here, but the minute hand is still the same, so what time is it? It is 9:30. So 1 hour before 10:30 is 9:30. Okay, let's go to number 4. 1 hour after 6:45 p.m. is, I'm going to change the clock first. 1 hour after 6:45. Okay, so it is 1 hour. So let's take a look at the hour hand. It is pointing at 6. So 1 hour after is 7. The minute hand is still the same. So 1 hour after 6:45 is 7:45. Like this. Let's go to number 5. 30 minutes before 2:30 a.m. is, okay, now take a look. So we are counting the minute now. since it is 30 minutes before 2:30, so it is 2:30, so the minute hand move before means backward over here. So we count backward, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the long hand will pointing at 12. So what time is it? If the long hand is pointing at 12, it means this one, the short hand, pointing at 2. So the time is 2 a.m. Okay, let's go to the next question. 30 minutes after 3 p.m. is... Okay, this is 3 p.m. So 30 minutes after means 3 plus 30 minutes. So the long hand or the minute hand move to 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30 minutes after means 3 plus 30 or 3:30. Okay, this is the answer. Now let's go to number 7. 30 minutes before 9 a.m. is, okay, this is 9 a.m. So before it means the minute hands from here move to here because it's 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the long hand will point at 6. So before it is between 9 and 8. Before it is 8. So it's 8. And the minute hand pointing at 6. It means 8:30. Like this. One more time. So it is 30 minutes before, right? So before 9, so it is exactly 9 o'clock. So before 9 is 8. Now, so the hour is 8. So how about the minute? 30 minutes before means the long hand or the minute hand is pointing at 6. 6 means 30. So 8:30 a.m. 30 minutes after 7:30 p.m. is, okay, so 30 minutes after 7:30. So 30 minutes after means we go like this. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the long hand here will point at 12, while the hour hand will point at 8. So what time is it? 30 minutes after 7:30. Yes, it's 8. You can write 8 as 8 p.m. or 8:00 p.m. If you are tired, you can take a break for 5 minutes. If you are not tired, let's continue with part C. In part C, there are 3 tanks, tank A, B, and C. Okay, tank A, I already counted, it's 5 liters, tank B, 3, and tank C is 9. So tank A contains how many liters of water? Yes, it is 5 liters. Now let's go to number 2. Tank B and tank C contains how many liters of water altogether? Okay, now we know that tank A has 5, so 5 plus 9, tank B, yeah. Okay, tank B has 3, so 3 plus 9 equals to 12 liters. Again, tank B and C, so it is 3 plus 9 equals to 12. For number 3, tank C contains how many more liters of water than tank B? Okay, now let's take a look. Tank C contains more. Is it correct? Oh yeah, C is 9 while B is 3. So how many more liters? How many more means you plus it or you minus it? Yes, how many more means you have to minus it. So 9 minus 3 equals to 6. So the answer is 6. Let's go to the next part. 2 liters of water was poured into tank B. Tank B has how many liters of water now? Poured into. Do you understand the meaning of poured into? So there is 2 liters of water and you put it into tank B. Okay, so you know that tank B has 3. So if you added 2 liters because you pour it inside of it, so 3 plus 2, the answer is 5 liters. Let's go to number 5. 5 liters of water from tank C was used. Tank C has how many liters of water now? Okay, now. So, do you understand the meaning of used? Yes, use means you have to take it away because you use it. Since you are using it, so the number must be bigger or must be smaller. Yes, because you use it, the number becomes smaller. So, how do you count if it is smaller? Do you add it or do you minus it? Yes, you minus it. So, we know that tank C has 9 liters. You use 5 liters, so 9 minus 5 equals to 4 liters. Okay, that's the answer for number 5. Now let's go to the next part. One water tank or a water tank had 20 liters of water. 20 liters was used for washing clothes. How many liters of water were left? Again, there is the word use. So we have to take away these 12 liters from the total, which is 20 liters. So what do we have to do? We have to minus it. Okay, how many liters of water were left? So 20 minus it with 12 equals to 8. So there are 8 liters of water left. Now, a juice factory sold 200 liters of juice on Saturday and 240 liters of juice on Sunday. How many more liters of juice did it sell on Sunday than on Saturday? Okay. From the sentences, we know that on Saturday, the factory sold 200 liters, while on Sunday, the factory sold 240 liters. The question is how many more? Do you still remember how many more means? Yes, you have to minus it. Since we are trying to find the difference, usually finding the difference means you have to minus it. So, 240 minus it with 200 equals to 40. So, 40 more liters of juice. Let's go to number 3. Mom bought 8 bottles of milk. Each bottle contained 5 liters of milk. How many liters of milk did she have altogether? Okay, now, this one is special, so you have to be careful. Even though it is altogether, it doesn't mean you add it. You have to understand the sentence first. Okay, so mom bought 8 bottles. So how many bottles are there? 8 bottles. Each bottle contains 5 liters. So in each bottle contain 5 liters of milk. So what do you have to do? Do you add it, minus it, multiply it, or divide it? Yes, you have to times it. Let's take a look at the model. I made the model so it is easier for you to see. Okay, let's take a look. So there are 8 bottles, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottles. Each bottle contains 5. So actually in each bottle here, there are 5. So how to find it? You can add it 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, but it takes forever. So what do you have to do? Remember there are 8 groups or 8 bars, so 8 times 5. And the answer is 40. So she had 40 liters altogether. Do you understand? Number 4. A water container can hold 10 liters of water. How many liters of water can 10 similar containers hold? This one is almost the same with the previous questions. Now, you know that the word a water container means how many water container? A means 1. So 1 water container can hold 10 liters. Now, if the question is 10 containers, how many liters of water? Okay, so 1 water container can hold 10, right? So I'm drawing 1 bar or 1 box is 10 liter. The question is 10 similar containers. So I made 10 similar containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bars means 10 containers. Okay? So if each of it is 10, so 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and so on. So 10 group or 10 bar times 10 equals to 100. So it can hold 100 liters. Okay, so for this part, it's a graph. Now I draw this because I cannot print it out, so I just draw it over here. So on this graph, there is important information at the bottom. Each circle stands for 2 peoples. So soccer has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles mean 5 times 2. So how many peoples? 10. Understand? Now let's go to the first question. How many peoples like basketball? Okay, let's take a look at the basketball. How many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 circles. Remember that each circle stands for 2. So if there is 2, 2, 2, 2, it means 4 times 2 equals to 8. So 4 circle is 4 times 2 equals to 8. Let's go to number 2. The number of pupils who like blah 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 or something is the same as the number of people who likes the other sport. Okay, now take a look. The clue here is the same as. So which one of these, what do you call it, exercise has the same number? This is 5 circle, 4 circle, 1, 3, and 1. Oh yeah, there is the same one. What is it? Table, tennis, and swimming. So, since table tennis is the same as swimming, so the answer over here can be table tennis or swimming, and the answer over here can be table tennis or swimming because they are the same. Okay, let's go to number 3. The sport which most people like is, okay, the most one is, yes, soccer, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 circles, the most circles, so the sport which most people like is soccer. Okay, let's go to number 4. How many people like soccer and basketball? Okay, so let's see. Soccer and basketball. The word "and" here means together. If together, do you have to add it or do you have to minus it? Yes, you have to add it. So how many is it soccer? 5 circle. And basketball? 4 circle. So 5 circles plus 4 circles equals to 9 circles. So 9 times 2, since 1 circle is 2, so 9 times 2 equals to 18. So 18 pupils like soccer and basketball. Let's go to the last question. 4 more pupils like what sport is it than swimming? Okay, now 4 more pupils like this than swimming. Let's take a look at the swimming first, the one that we know. Swimming has 1 circle. Now, 4 more pupils. Since 4 pupils and this one circle is 2, so we have to find out how many circles first. So, 4 pupils means 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. So 2 circle. 4 pupils mean 2 circle. While swimming has 1 circle. Because it is more, so 2 circle plus 1 circle equals to 3 circles. Now from the graph, which one has 3 circle? Only badminton. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is badminton. Okay, thank you for watching my a little bit long video. Hopefully you understand it. See you next time. Bye-bye.